Hey guys, so this is the first step to get the free Obli, and all you need to do here is just go here in Run Mobile website. Just log on here, log in your account, then click the upper right corner lines, three lines. Okay, just click this one. Then below the user event, just simply click the number 1 or the first day. All you need to do here is complete the attendance and you'll get the ×2 costume or Xmas costume box. So this is just the same before or earlier, the Halloween event, 1 month event. So this is until 28 days guys, 28 days. So just to explain, so here all you need to do is complete the attendance until 28 days. Again, 28 days, no absent. Okay, if you already attended or have attendance for 3 days, you'll get this Akatsuki costume box. Okay, Akatsuki costume box for 3 days consecutive. For 7 days consecutive, you'll get 5 luxury red essence, and for 14 days consecutive you'll get white essence, luxury white essence, and for the 21 consecutive days you'll get silver token. Alright, then for the last one, for 28 consecutive days you will get the Obli. Okay, Obli. Okay, so this until 28 days you'll get the Akatsuki costume box. So if you're not attending for 28 days or na-miss nyo yung ibang days, so meron naman streak bonus dito, but hindi nyo na mamimit yung 28 day streak, which is very important. So you need to have attendance here daily in the website. Okay, now let's check the item in our mail. So, dun yung makikita yung items na pumasok sa inyo. And again, here, this is where you can get the Obli. Okay, now let's go to in-game. Alright guys, so this is where you can get your item. So, for beginners or this is your first time to get the item, just click the 3 dots on the upper right hand corner of your screen. Then just click the mail, then you will see here the 1 attendance bonus. Now just claim this, then this will go directly to your inventory. So here you can check the Xmas costume box. So guys, this is 2 pieces or ×2. Meaning you'll be able to get 2 sets of costume box. Now let's open this one, and here you go. This is the Xmas costume box. Alright, so there is no additional stats here compared to the Halloween costume set. So maybe the Akatsuki box or costume set, you'll get the stats like another 400 HP for the full set. So if you wanted to have a set like that, then just complete the attendance. Alright, all you need to do here is complete the attendance and you'll get all the items for free. Okay, so have a nice day, and here you go. This is the costume bag yung buhok sa okay, anyway guys, this is the free costume. Alright, bye.